So now we're going to evaluate some inverse trig functions. I want to show you how to do this. So example 1, find cosecant inverse of 1.5 to 4 decimal places. Now first of all, make sure that your calculator is in radians and not degrees, or you'll get these wrong. Okay. Secondly, cosecant inverse is not on a button on your calculator. You have sine inverse, cosine inverse, and tangent inverse. So we have to use that formula relating it to the sine inverse. So cosecant inverse of 3/2 is what we're asked to find. I wrote it as a fraction. So that's going to be sine inverse of the reciprocal. Okay, so that's sine inverse of 2/3. That you can put it in your calculator and you get approximately 0.7297 rounded to 4 decimal places. So it's pretty straightforward. You just have to remember to do the reciprocal of the argument in these. So example 2, find sine inverse of 5. Well, if you put it in your calculator, you'll get an error. Why is that? Well, so there's no solution, but why is there an error? Because the domain of sine inverse x is the range of sine of x, which is -1 to 1. So you can find the sine inverse of any number between -1 and 1, or -1 or 1, but not any number outside of that interval, which is where 5 is. So that's why you would get an error if you try to put that in, and so you would write no solution.